Hey guys, this is Jiaying and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing how to make an easy vegan chocolate mousse cake with mixed berries. This is my adaptation of Tina Blakney's recipe found in Brettschneider's Global Baker Cookbook. To start, we would need to make the cake base. To make the cake base, add couscous, light muscovado sugar, cocoa powder, and water into a medium pot and bring to a boil. Stir the pot to mix the contents evenly. Add in the vanilla extract, the couscous mixture will slowly thicken up to form a paste. Turn off the heat. While waiting for the couscous mixture to cool down, melt dairy-free chocolate, I use 70% dark, over a water bath until it is smooth and glossy. Remove the melted chocolate from the water bath carefully to prevent steam from the pot from seizing the chocolate. While waiting for the chocolate to cool, divide the couscous mixture into two. It should still be slightly warm to the touch. And press down evenly into two 6-inch cake pans using the back of a spoon. Cover and place the couscous mixture in the fridge to set firm. To make the chocolate mousse, place the silken tofu in the blender, add maple syrup and kahlua. If you do not wish to add alcohol, you may substitute the alcohol with coffee paste. Blend the tofu mixture until smooth. Add the cooled melted chocolate into the silken tofu mixture and blend until evenly combined. Pour the chocolate mousse evenly into both pans. You may omit the baking paper sleeves I added here, as I found that it does not affect the ease of which the cake can be removed from the tin. Wrap the cake tin on the tabletop a few times to get rid of large air bubbles and smooth it out. Cover and set aside in the fridge while preparing the mixed berry jelly topping. Cook 500 grams of frozen mixed berries in a medium pot to extract their juices. Add sugar gradually to taste. Strain the berry mixture to separate the juice from the fruit pulp and seeds. Add water to the berry juice until the total volume reaches the amount required to set the Konnyaku jelly according to manufacturer's instructions. Bring the berry juice mixture to a boil, add more sugar to taste if required, and add in the konnyaku jelly powder. Do not worry if the konnyaku jelly powder clumps up like this. You could break the large lumps up with a fork and continue mixing with a whisk. The powder clumps will eventually dissolve. Once the jelly mixture is smooth and comes to a boil, turn off the heat. Take the chocolate mousse cake out from the fridge and top it with berries of your choice. Pour the jelly mix over the berries, making sure to cover the tops of any berries that are sticking out of the jelly layer. To unmold the cake, run a small sharp knife around the edges to loosen the cake from the sides of the tin. Place a plate on top of the tin and flip it over. Give the cake tin a few sharp raps to aid in the removal of the cake and lift the tin off. Remove the parchment paper from the bottom of the cake. Place the serving plate over the couscous base and flip it the right way up. The cake can now be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, detailed recipes and my adaptations are in the description box below. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this recipe. Remember to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more videos. This would really help my small channel. Thank you and have a great week ahead. Bye bye!